Whether you're having loads of company for the 4th of July weekend, or maybe you're just getting together with friends and family for a picnic, it's always nice to have food made ahead of time so you can just enjoy the weekend. I'm making some tortilla roll-ups. I was at a meeting the other night and the woman who was hosting made these fabulous tasting roll-ups, and she said they were so easy. She gave me the recipe, and they are so easy, and it's the kind of thing that you can make ahead of time, and then all you need to do is slice it up when you're ready to go to your picnic. So the first thing I've done is put an 8-ounce package of cream cheese in my bowl. It was at room temperature, and I've already beat it up a little bit just to soften it up and get it a little creamier. Now I'm going to add, it's probably a 7-ounce package of feta cheese. If you're not familiar with feta cheese, it's traditionally a Greek cheese that's made with the milk of goats. And it's real salty. That's one of the things I like about it. It's also very soft, and it's kind of milky flavored. So it's a real mild cheese, but like I said, very salty. So I'm just gonna crumble this whole package of feta cheese into the cream cheese mixture. And then I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sour cream. Now all I have to do is beat it up until it's nice and creamy. Now the flavors are wonderful to serve as a base on the tortillas for all kinds of ingredients. Now when I was at my meeting the other night, the hostess added some chopped cranberries to this mixture, and she spread that on. Some of them had a little bit of fresh spinach leaves on the tortillas, and they were just delicious. But today I'm going to probably make every tortilla a little bit different. So I'm going to sprinkle some chopped toasted walnuts over this feta cheese base, and then because it is Greek, I've got some garlic stuffed Greek olives that I've chopped up. And that's all I'm going to put on this one. Now the next one I'm going to do a little bit of really thinly sliced turkey from the deli and some spinach leaves. And on another one, I'm going to just spread this base and then put some of my apricot filling on the top of it and roll it up. So just be creative. Choose any kinds of ingredients that you think might go really well with this cheese spread. Then roll it up tight in some plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator until you're just going to be ready to either go to your picnic or you want to serve a little snack. And then slice them up. They'll look like little pinwheels with a nice filling inside. They'll taste fantastic. I'm Sue Doden, and I'm all about food.